Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fondant icing. Melt 200 g dark chocolate with 100 g butter over low heat, stirring until smooth. Warm the mixture slightly, then whisk in 150 g icing sugar and 2 tablespoon water to reach a glossy, spreadable consistency. Keep the glaze warm and fluid while you pour it over cakes. If the glaze thickens, gently rewarm and stir until smooth again. Combine equal parts chocolate and butter for a classic fondant base, adjusting for taste and shine. Add a splash of cream or 1 tsp corn syrup to increase gloss and flow, but avoid too much liquid. For flavor twists, stir in liqueur, espresso powder, or a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Test consistency by spooning. It should form a smooth ribbon that glazes the spoon. Cool slightly before pouring to avoid melting cake frosting. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: read The Simple Path to Wealth for calmer money choices that free you to bake without stress, and it's a tidy, life-changing read. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab it if you want a thoughtful companion to simple living. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To smooth out air bubbles, tap the cake gently and use an offset spatula to coax glaze over edges. If glaze is too thick, stir in 1 tsp warm water at a time until it flows. If too thin, add a little sifted icing sugar. Keep glaze at a warm room temperature and work quickly for even coverage. Store leftover fondant in the fridge and gently reheat before safe reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.